Okay, I've said in another video I've done that I really don't want, especially in a smaller kitchen, stuff all over my counter, especially when I don't use it all the time. And I'm not a cook. I'm not a good cook, and when I do cook, so I just want to have things, I use them, I put them away, and then I don't see them. And I have a kitchen that is open to the front door, so I don't really want things on display. Now, saying that, my kitchen's always a mess anyway, so whatever. I don't want all my food and stuff out. So what I did was I had my kitchen installer, Al Fix It. He created what I call, what is called an appliance garage. Now in the UK, I know this is not a common thing, and everybody who comes into my house and sees it has gone, I really like that. In fact, Al put it in his own house. He had me send photos over for his wife to see, and I said, oh, just tell her to come and see it. But what we've done is, you can see here, there's a lot to this one. This one has a folding door, and then I have two drawers that come out, one with my air fryer, and then another one here I have to have the door open for it, and this one with my electric pressure cooker and egg cooker. The thing is with these ones, obviously there's no ventilation in it. I have noticed they do have ventilation for cupboard cooking in Japan, so I am looking at that for the future one day. But this, I just basically pull this out. This is supposed to be sitting further up. There we go. I pull this out. I use it while it's out, and I've taken the measurements, and it's all good for what it says when it sits on a kitchen counter. So that's good against here, and the shelf, there's quite a bit of distance. I use it, and then at the end, I just close it away. The only thing I change on this is I'd probably get these with cupboard fronts or something, because I just find they look really ugly open. But then at the end of the day, and you can see I just use the rest as storage. And at the end of the day, I can just close it up, and then nobody sees the appliances. So I am planning, when I get a utility room added onto my house eventually, that I'm going to have a little utility room / pantry / Butler's pantry. I'm going to get another one of these put in for things, other things that I use that I don't want to have out, and maybe have a cupboard with them pulled out, etc. So that's an appliance garage. And if you have questions about them, do put them down in the comments. One other thing, I did have the electrician put a plug in the back. He did put it too low, so I've had to put a little adapter thing that moves the plugs up. If I would do it this differently, I would get doors that you could open and slide back. I'm not sure how difficult it is to get that. I did do some research when I was doing my renovation a couple of years ago, and I could get them, but a lot of the people I talked to said, oh, only a carpenter would put them in, and even the carpenter was like, oh, go with an easier method. And it's like, nah. So I ended up going with somebody else, Al, and he did this for me. Yeah. So that is my appliance garage. If you do have questions about it, do put it in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. And if you also would like to see more of my videos, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to be alerted when new ones come up, there's that little bell button that will have YouTube alert you when videos show. Great, thank you so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.